Welcome to ErgoAdvocate, your online ergonomics experts. In today's economy, your health and abilities are vitally important to your business. This video will show you some ergonomics adjustments that can improve your comfort, safety, and productivity while reducing your risk of injury. This video is one small component of our complete program committed to helping you function at your best, on the job and in life. ErgoAdvocate.
Hi, I'm Gene Kay. I'm an ergonomist and the developer of ErgoAdvocate, the online ergonomics training program. Today I want to show you some ergonomic principles that you can apply to your workstation to improve comfort and safety. Applying these principles to adjust your chair, your keyboard, and your monitor can reduce bending, twisting, reaching, and other things that could cause problems. If these changes don't help, please seek qualified advice for your condition. Hand, wrist, and arm discomfort can be from several different causes. One of the most common causes is having the keyboard too high or low. If the keyboard is too high, your wrist can be bent forward. If the keyboard is too low, your wrist can be bent back. Instead of working with a bent keyboard or bent wrist, we suggest that you place the keyboard so it's about elbow height. This allows a much straighter and more relaxed wrist position. If you can't change the keyboard height, you can often change the chair height so you're either sitting higher or lower, and again you get that nice straight alignment through the wrist. The other common cause of discomfort in the hand, wrist, or arm is keying with the wrist bent to the side. Now this can happen on the keyboard or on the mouse. To correct this on the keyboard, we advise many users to move with the whole hand as if you're on a piano. Don't just stay in one position and stretch and reach and bend. Instead, we'd rather have you move the whole hand, hit the backspace or the tab or the enter key, and then come back to the home row. When mousing, we suggest that you move the mouse with the whole arm and then just bend the wrist to hit the target. We don't want you using the windshield wiper motion. We'd rather have you move as if you're washing a dish. Much easier on the hand and arm. The third issue is related to reaching. If your mouse, your telephone, or your keyboard are too far away and you're reaching, you're going to have extra strain and fatigue in the shoulder, and that's going to force you to rest the hand. That puts more pressure there and makes it harder to move. Instead of reaching out, we'd rather have you slide in a little bit closer or bring the mouse or keyboard closer to you. Many times you can get a mouse platform that's better positioned and lets the arm relax at the side. So reaching causes extra strain, bringing it closer reduces that strain. The fourth cause of discomfort for hand, wrist, and arm is working with a tense grip. This might be a tense grip on the mouse or tense hand position on the keyboard. On the keyboard, we often find that people hit the keys too hard, or while they're paused and waiting for the page to open, their fingers may be extended and very tense. Instead of waiting in this position, purposefully take your hand off the keyboard and use the wrist rest. When mousing, we suggest you use the mouse, click, hit the target, and then if you're waiting for new pages to open, put the hand beside the mouse. Rest your hand beside the mouse as often as possible. These four changes can improve hand, wrist, and arm discomfort. Proper keyboard height, working with straight wrists, working with the arms in closer, and working with relaxed hands. I hope you found these ergonomic tips and guidelines helpful. If you need more assistance, subscribers to ErgoAdvocate can find information in the help library. Other individuals that are not subscribers can seek the advice of a qualified safety or health specialist.
Thank you for joining us today on ErgoAdvocate. Please call or visit our website to learn more about ErgoAdvocate's online ergonomics solutions. Learn how our web-based program can train hundreds of employees for up to 80% less than what your company has been paying. See how we've helped Global 100 companies reduce workers' compensation costs while creating better employees. ErgoAdvocate, your online ergonomics experts.